50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by NimaRadanArt.
Day 50. Embracing Imperfections. Lord, help me to embrace my imperfections and to love myself unconditionally. Teach me that I am enough, just as I am. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
You are stronger than you think. Keep pushing forward.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Spread kindness and compassion towards all living beings, including humans, animals, and the environment.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us embrace unity as our guiding principle and work towards a future where peace and equality reign supreme.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a chance to leave behind a legacy of justice, equality, and compassion.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima. Dear viewers, thank you for joining me on this journey of 50 days of trying to change the world. It has been an incredible experience to be able to share my thoughts and ideas with you, and to learn from you as well. I am so grateful for your support and encouragement. It has meant the world to me. I know that we can make a difference in the world if we work together. So let's keep going. Let's keep trying to make the world a happier, more just, and more sustainable place for all. Thank you again for being a part of this. Sincerely, NimaRadan.